Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog from the island of Gozo. This time I am Pierre Farrugia. I have my partner with me, Sharon, who's the driver today. Where going to take me today? She's a little bit shy, by the way, but we'll get her used to it. Where are you going to take me today? Now
We're going Rabat.
Rabat, and where to
some cheesecakes.
But let's tell them what we call them. Pastizzi.
Pastizzi.
Do pastizzi, which we call them cheesecakes. And in Gozo they do them very good. We're going to explore a little bit there, and then we start visiting here and there on the island. So it's going to be an interesting vlog for you and even for us. So later. We are with Rabat, Gozo, Independence Square. Here you can find some typical souvenirs from Malta, some lace and some souvenirs, and obviously Sharon is looking to buy something. Sharon, what are you going to buy?
A bracelet, leather bracelet.
Here is the souvenir of the old Maltese bus. Well, here we are in another small square in Rabat, Sharon, and we have some pastizzi. Look, these are the cheese pastizzi, which we call pastizzi tal ricotta, and here are the piece one. And now we're going to eat them all. Well, here we are at St. George Square, and this is the Basilica. It's closed, but the most fascinating thing it has is its door. It's amazing, yeah? Full of sculpture. And from here you get a look of these squares and these cafes. Now we are in urban Gozo, and we have reached the Basilica of Ta Pinu, Holy Mary of Ta Pinu, Madonna Ta Pinu. So I can show you a little bit around here. Have been restored beautifully here. Well, for those people who used to come here but a very long time ago, you can see how well and how nice this area have been reconstructed. Let me show you better. Look at the detail. Beautiful, made from marble all here. Look at these mosaics here. Impressive, eh? Look, from those from Australia, some people who are the beneficiaries of this area. From America. These are some of them, huh? And they also have locals here. Look at the details here. We have 4 in total of these, donated by the locals. We have even from Jerusalem, from Palestine. Beautiful, here. They're from America again. Famiglia Cassar. This is from Sharon Gozo. And here we have another one. They are beautiful, very colorful. It's from Sharon as well, Gozo. Sharon. Nadur. More from Malta. And here we have again from Australia, from our friends from Australia. I have to say, each time I visit Gozo, I always pay a visit here. So let's go inside. I will not talk a lot inside, so we keep our composure. And we visit a little bit inside as well. It's beautiful here. Everywhere mosaics. Now we're going in. Another mosaic up there. And yeah, we're going in. Look how beautiful here it is. Beautiful here. Beautiful this. Here we can see the painting of Ta Pinu, Holy Mary. Now to go inside. And people come here and say their prayers. What you can see here, many people have prayed the Holy Mary of Ta Pinu to earn a grace. And when this have been done, many of these have had they were going to die, injuries and everything. And as a thank you, they will just make, it was like, they will either put some garments of their children, of their loved ones here. Look, many of them have paintings. Always amazes me here. Here you can see some of them. There's a lot. Many of them are prayed the Holy Mary to get them alive from the problems they had, either illness or accidents. Here are more artifacts of people thanking the Holy Mary. There are some of them very, very old. Look, those children braces, children clothes. People thanked the Holy Mary, they don't tell us one of them. There's one here. And before, they used to put paintings on. So people were saved from drowning. After a much needed shower and a change of clothes, now we are in Xlendi. There's this beautiful cave behind me, but it's from the sea. What we are going to do, we're going to go up the stairs, up there, and then we have to go down again because there's a cave. I never been there, but Sharon will take me there. So then we're going to eat there. These restaurants here are very good. We have to go up the stairs to go in this cave. We are still going up the stairs because Sharon, you said you're going to take me a cave here. The Carolina's cave. Look the view from here. Nice, huh? Well, show me the way. Here is very popular with tourists in summer and Maltese. When they come here, they are restoring the tower up there. And now we're going to see what Carolina Cave is. Carolina? Oh? We have the stairs, so we're still going down. Look how nice it is here. Amazing, yeah? I like this place. We are getting closer to the sea because we came here. You see here? And this is the cave. So the stairs are. It's a little bit risky. Hope I don't get hurt. Look at this here. What if a big waves come? I will get water in my shoes. So let's check here. Look. So this is Carolina Cave. The formations are very nice. I don't think we can go inside them. Because here I think it's very spread. Oops. And here closes off. But here, look how nice it is. Well, now we have came here at the Carolina restaurant. We have some nice food, look. So now we're going to eat. Here is Ramla Beach, or as we say the Ramla Hamra Maltese, the red beach. It's very windy now. Now we're going to Misra Cave up there. Let's continue. Here the wind is I cannot barely walk. It's still here is Misra Cave. Misra Cave is famous for its sunsets, and what I was saying before, here is Ramla Beach, or also known in Maltese Ramla Hamra. Look how beautiful it is. This is inside the cave. At least here it's a little bit better. Look. Here we can find some human intervention. See? We go inside here. Looks like that somebody in the past used to live in here. And it's fairly big, yeah? There's a rock and its shape is very unique, yeah? Hope you can hear me from here. It's very windy, but the views are amazing. You have to take care because the gusts of wind, I think, are more than 7 today, so but the views are rewarding, yeah? Look. We're going to leave here, so I will show you how much the wind strong is, how strong it is, the wind here. When it changes from here, look. Very strong, eh? We are in Duera. It's still very windy. This started as a fisherman where they store their boats. It's called the Xlendi. From there, many tourists from here, they will ride the boat and go outside, because from that cave you go outside in the open sea. It's very nice, this tour. And here well, from there now Inside the cave, we can see the open water. You can see the light outside. Hope you enjoyed this vlog in Gozo. Sharon is with me, but she's inside because she's feeling cold, because now it's very windy. Until next time, bye bye, and subscribe to my channel please. Bye.